Right, page 8. We're going to be working on the dual intercept method. Now we've done the table method already, and we're now moving to the dual intercept method. Just to recap on the table method, remember the table method, we drew a table and we substituted values for x to find y. Once we've got an x and a y value, we can get a coordinate. Once we've got one or two coordinates, we can then sketch a straight line. That's using the table method. Now our second method is the dual intercept method. What does dual mean? Dual means two. If you go on a dual carriageway, it means it's a road with two lanes. So in the dual intercept method, there are two steps to it. Step 1 and step 2. We're going to be sketching the same equation, y equals to 2x plus 4. Our first step is to make x equal to 0. If I make x equal to 0 and I substitute in there, y is going to equal to 4. So my coordinate there is going to be x is 0, y is 4. Second step, we do the opposite. Make y equal to 0. If we make y equal to 0, we can find an x value. So the equation is y equals to 2x plus 4. Take out the y, put a 0. Let's substitute in the y as 0. 2x plus 4. Take the 4 over to that side, becomes minus 4 equals to 2x. Divide by 2 and x is equal to negative 2. So when y is 0, x is negative 2. This will give me another coordinate, minus 2, 0. Right, now let's sketch these coordinates. Okay, when x is 0, y is 4. 1, this line didn't print out, there's a line that goes through there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. At that point there, x is 0 and y is 4. There's a 4 there. Then that's that coordinate. The next coordinate is minus 2, 0. So let's sketch that. There's minus 2. When x is minus 2, y is 0. At this point here, x is minus 2 and y is 0. I've got two coordinates. I can now draw a line through those. This line here represents the equation y is equal to 2x plus 4. We've used the dual intercept method to sketch the same line. Exercise 1. Let's work with this one through together. Sketch the equation y equals to 2x plus 1 using the dual intercept method. Now we know dual means two steps. So our first step is to make x equal to 0. So substitute an x in there as 0. That will fall away. And y is equal to 1. Then make y equal to 0. Take out the y there. Make it 0 is equal to 2x plus 1. So I've substituted y as 0 there. Equals to 2x plus 1. Take that 1 over to this side. And it becomes minus 1 equals to 2x. Divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2. So x is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now let's sketch this line. When x is equal to 0, y is 1. So there's your first coordinate. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus a half. So when y is equal to 0, x is minus a half. So it's going to be in between there. If you join up those 2 points, this line here represents the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1.